Welcome to RH Academy channel. Question 9 of exercise 4.3 says, according to question, two water taps fill a tank in 75 by 8 hours. The larger tap takes 10 hours less than the smaller tap. So let's move. Larger tap will take x minus 10 need to find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So follow with me. That time taken by smaller tap to fill one tank is x hours. Time taken by larger tap to fill one tank is x by 10 hours. Larger tap, portion of tank filled in 1 hour by larger tap is 1 by x minus 10. Suppose this is a large tap. It takes x minus 10 hours to fill this tank. To find out the portion of tank filled in 1 hour by this tap will be 1 by x minus 10. Unitary method. The portion of tank filled in 75 by 8 hour will be 1 by x minus 10 multiply 75 by 8. Now let it be a smaller tap. Now we know it takes x hour to fill this one tank. Now how much tank will be filled in 1 hour? That is 1 by x. In x hours, one tank is filled. In 1 hour, 1 by x tank will be filled. And in 75 by 8 hours, 1 by x multiplies 75 by 8 portion of tank will be filled by this smaller tap. Try to understand. A small tank takes x hours to fill one tank, x hours to fill one tank. How much tank will be filled in 1 hour? 1 by x, portion of tank. And how much tank will be filled in 75 by 8 hour? I hope you understand the equations now. Now, according to question, smaller tap and the larger tap together fill this tank in 75 by 8 hours. So what will be our equation? Now, according to question, larger tap plus smaller tap together fill this one tank in 75 by 8 hours. Portion of tank filled by larger tap in 75 by 8 hour is 1 by x minus 10 multiplies 75 by 8 plus 1 by x multiply 75 by 8 equal to 1. Now simplify it. 5 by 8 multiply x minus 10, 75 by 8x equal to 1. Now 75 by 8 is in both terms. Take it out. Remaining is 1 by x minus 10 plus 1 by x is equal to 1. Now transpose 75 by 8 to right side. 1 by x minus 10 plus 1 by x is equals to 8 by 75. Now take the LCM of x minus 10 and x. The LCM of x and x minus 10 is x multiply x minus 10. So 1 by x minus 10 multiplied by multiply and divide by x. Similarly, multiply and divide 1 by x minus 10 equal to, so x multiply x minus 10 plus x minus 10 divided by x multiply x minus 10 is equal to 8 by 75. X plus x minus 10 divided by x multiply x minus 10 equal to 8 by 75. Now simplify it further. X plus x is 2x minus 10 is equal to 8 by 75. Now cross multiply. (75) multiply 2x is 150x. 75 multiply 10 is 750. 8x multiply x is 8x square. And 8x multiply 10 is 80x. Transpose these terms to left side. Now rearrange the terms. Minus 8x square plus 150x plus 80x minus 750 is equal to 0. Divide the entire equation by minus 2. Now this is an optional step. Minus 2 divided by 0 is 0. Use the quadratic formula or splitting the middle term or completing the square method to find the value of x. My favorite is quadratic formula. A is 4, B is minus 115 and C is 375. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So minus 115 square minus 4 multiply 4 multiply 375. 115 square is 13,225 and 4 multiply 375 is 6,000. And 13,225 minus 6,000 is 7,225. So x is equals to minus b plus minus root d by 2a. Now substitute the values. Minus 115 plus minus 7,225 divided by 2 multiply 4. X is equals to plus 115 plus minus 7,225 square root divided by 8. To find the square root of 7,225, find out its prime factor and you'll get 85 divided by 8. So x is equal to 115 plus 85 by 8 and x is equal to 115 minus 85 by 8. 115 plus 85 is 200 by 8, which is equal to 25. And 115 minus 85 is 30 by 8 or 15 by 4. Remember, x is time taken by a smaller tap to fill the tank. So case 1, when x is 15 by 4 or x is equals to 3.75. So x minus 10 will be 3.75 minus 10. Now x minus 10 is time taken by larger tap. 375 minus 10 is minus 0.25. Can hour or time be negative? No. So x won't be 15/4. Now let's see case 2. When x is 25, so x minus 10 will be 25 minus 10, that is 15. Hence, smaller tap takes 25 hours to fill the tank, and larger tap takes 15 hours to fill the tank. I hope this problem is clear to you. It's a bit interesting and tricky. So I recommend you to watch the video again. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends. Thank you.